Hello everyone, welcome back. So yesterday I posted a few photos asking you guys which one you love the most. And today I'm going to give you a closer look of each one. And then I found that most of you like Labradorite. And yes, they are really gorgeous. And then 3 of them have very nice flashes. This one is like sea blue. And then this one, it has mixed color. And here the yellow one looks like the land, and then the blue one looks like the ocean. Also with nice flash. I'm going to make all of them like Friday maybe. Yeah, because tomorrow is my grandma's birthday and I'm going to attend her birthday. So this one is like all blue, but a lighter blue. These 2 are actually blue needles, clear quartz. Very nice inclusion. And this round one is phantom quartz. You see the silver rodilated quartz inside. And this one, I have to say, it's quite unique because of the rainbow inside. It formed a, like, the ear shape, right? It's very unique. And these 2 are actually Enhydro quartz. This one is clear quartz, and then this one is amethyst. I gotta say this one is gorgeous because you see the large water bubble inside and it can move around. Let me give you a closer shot. See, it's moving around. The Enhydro amethyst is quite rare. It has a smaller water bubble inside. Unlike the clear quartz, it has a large one. So here's the water bubble. It's small, but you can see it can also move around inside. It's really cute.